Bet anywhere with TVG. Mr. Speaker is a talented horse, but hasn't won back-to-back races since 2013. Can he build off his strong performance in the Commonwealth Cup?
Mr. Speaker and Jose Ortiz driving Legendary trying second. At the 16th pole, it's going to be Mr. Speaker in the Commonwealth Cup.
Will VE Day find his stride on the turf? Or can the consistent Middleburg continue to stack up the earnings?
Final 16th of a mile. Inchcape, a tough customer. Middleburg let loose now. And Middleburg storms to victory in the cliffhanger.
The Grade 3 Knickerbocker, Saturday at Belmont Park.